Welcome to Research Rocks. In this video, I'm giving you quick demonstration how to download any textbooks, and this textbooks is absolutely free and you can access very easily simple way to download any textbook related in any field: computer vision, machine learning, deep learning, or chemistry, physics, mathematics and computer science. You can download any book on a single platform, and all books are available on PDF, and this is absolutely free. So how to download those books in this using the one platform? That platform name is a Bookboon, and you can use this platform and download any books. So let's start how to download and how to create your account in that platform and download PDF book. Before start the video, please subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rock. So open your Google and type here Bookboon. Just type only BOOKBOON, and first URL is visible here. So look at the student textbook, engineering, front page selection, work handling, team of users, sign off, free ebooks, about us. So click here. So this is a framework of this particular website, and you can look at this here. Discover thousands plus free textbooks are available here. So some samples are available like here: digitization, economics and finance, engineering, most popular, personality development, management, communication and presentation. So each area some books are available, like in this for example, this is A book, so 1000 plus free book. B level, so 1700 plus business ebooks are available. Some founder and author of this particular website. Student for free, business for chargeable, like 500 rupees month, and some collaborative also. So try to free. First here I'm just simply type NLP and just search, and look at this here, several books are come. So how to download? Just like for example, I want download this book, so read book, sign up for free. So here 4 step are comes: create, selection, interest, selection, subscription, and review and purchase. So now I click here, go with my Research Rocks account. So create account is done. So you can select any category, like I am selecting personal and development, statistic, mathematics and neural science, and then subscribe and continue. So here 3 packages are comes. One is a free, because I am a student, consider I am student, so free. I am a professional, so I am go with that one, and professional plus, but I am selecting this one because of I want need only in free textbooks, so I select this one, continue. So one into free forever. Now continue. So now my registration is completed. Look at this, my profile. Look at this, my profile is come here, Research Rock, and now I am type here NLP. So first book is come. I want download this book, 138 pages. So here several options are come: rating of this particular book, write a review, and language of L. This textbook is written about tech demonstrates the application of NLP as a learning tool with the ready to minimum exercise, and that application used right way. Some descriptions also available on that particular book. Related some books are visible here. So here download as a PDF options are available. So I click here. So fraction of second, 138 page books are download, and this book is absolutely free. Sometimes some books are not available on free on Google also. So you can use this framework, use this platform, and download any PDF related to your skill or your profile. It's very simple. Hope you understand what exactly positive point on that particular website, and you can use this website and solve your research related problem or education related subject problems. Hope you like this video. Before leaving, please subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks and press the bell icon. You don't miss upcoming videos. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.